You as a new YouTuber, you are guilty of these things I'm going to say. What you do as a new YouTuber or as a new content creator is why your video is not going viral on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to tell you two things for free why your videos are not going viral on YouTube. So, but before I proceed, if you are meeting my channel for the first time or you are seeing my face for the first time, please don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. And the most important thing, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the point. You as a new YouTuber, you are guilty of these things I'm going to say. And number one is deleting your video after uploading it. What you normally do and why you normally delete your video after uploading it is what I don't know. But these are the reasons why most of you guys do this. When you upload your video, you feel the video is not good enough, or you feel the algorithm is not pushing your video immediately, or you feel you need to add something to entice your audience. You'll be like, I'm sorry, let me delete this video and redo it, or let me re-edit and re-upload. But when you do that, the algorithm sees you as not being serious. And this is why it is so. Just, let's say, imagine yourself being a project supervisor of a school or of a class, and you have thousands of students submitting their project to you. So when a student comes and be like, I'm done with this project, okay, you have to cross-check it and send to other teachers or lecturers to see it and review it. So when you do that, and the student comes back and asks you, please, can I have the project back? I need to edit something. When the person do something like that, like 2-3 times, out of anger, you might fling that project and be like, this one is not serious. And exactly is what YouTube algorithm does to your video. When you upload video and remove it or delete it and re-upload again, the algorithm will be like, I have so much things to attend. Let me keep your video aside. When you are ready, I will attend to you. And when the algorithm will be ready for you, might take weeks, might take months for the algorithm to act on your video. So, and this is not what you are going to like. So when you upload your video, don't delete it. And again, when you upload video and maybe you used a music and the algorithm gives you a copyright warning, you'll be like, oh, I'm sorry, please let me remove it and re-upload again. Don't do that. They know the music is not your own, and that doesn't affect your video. And that is why most times they'll be like, you have a copyright warning, but this doesn't affect your channel. You are free to leave that copyright warning. So, and that is why they have a edit button inside a video that you have uploaded in terms of copyright warning, either for you to mute the music or remove it or add another song depending on the song or the video you made. So when you do that, when you upload a video like that, don't delete it. Always use the right tools to enhance your video. Another thing again is this: when most of you upload video, you don't wait the algorithm to act on your video. You keep wishing my video supposed be 50k views by now, my video supposed get 100k views by now because I spent so much time in making this video. The algorithm is not human being. It's not emotional. It doesn't know about your story. There are millions of videos being uploaded to it every single day. In 24 hours, there are millions, like more than 2 million videos are being uploaded to YouTube every day. So having that so much work to do, and you are again coming to give the algorithm a problem, it automatically is going to shadow ban your channel, and your channel is not going to get that fame you need. Another reason you should not delete your video after uploading it is because of this thing. The algorithm tests the creators, especially new YouTubers. Like, and how they test you is that they try to build trust with your channel. They try to know if you are consistent with this thing you are doing. They try to know the kind of video you are publishing, and they kind to like gather the audience for you, for like that will be good for your channel. And anytime you upload your video, it will be getting views. So, and when you upload your video and delete it, you lose that trust. And if you check all those channels that are getting tons of views, thousands of views, millions of views, they've gotten the algorithm trust already. They've gotten the YouTube trust already, in the sense that they have been there for 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, 13 years, uploading video consistently and doing the same thing. And YouTube algorithm will not take you over them because they've been there for YouTube. So before you delete your video, you have to rethink. Number 2 most important reason why your video is not going viral on YouTube is this. And this one is the most important, and I'm sure you are guilty of this. You are in a haste to make your video go viral. And by doing that, or by thinking that when you upload your video, you go ahead and share your video through WhatsApp, through Facebook, or you copy the link and send to the person anywhere through any social media. But let me tell you something. When you share your video, the algorithm knows that you are not a robot, you are a human being. You are supposed to have family and friends that watch your video. So when you share your video and those guys view your video through that link you shared, from the YouTube analytics, that view is coming from either WhatsApp, Facebook, or other social media. And when they check the location where that view is coming, they know already from the location where the video is uploaded. Automatically, they will term it that you are the one that shared your video by yourself. So, and when you do that, the algorithm will be like, since you know how to make your video go viral, then fine, let's leave your video for you. They will not try to push your video again. A kind of shadow banning your channel. So whenever you upload your video, don't share your link. When they are watching your video direct from YouTube or from search results, and it's from the same location, that one is very, very recommendable. They will even buy the idea. They'll be like, oh, people around you love your content. Okay, let's push your content again to that people of that same location. And that's how you get views from people around you before going global or viral to other countries or other states within your country. So don't share your video link after uploading it. It kills your channel. Another reason why it is not good to share your video link is this. It makes, or it gives your YouTube channel wrong audience. It sends wrong audience to your YouTube channel. And this is why I said so. Let's say your video is about football. Maybe you are the type that talks about football. So, and within your clique of friends or within your location, people don't like football much because YouTube knows. And this is how YouTube knows. You that is a YouTuber, you watch videos on YouTube, and what you watch on YouTube, YouTube knows that. So that people are sharing your video to watch YouTube also. So YouTube knows what they're likely to watch. So when you make content that is not, maybe, or when you make content that people in your location doesn't like to watch, and you share the link to them and they watch it, you are sending wrong audience. YouTube knows that these people is not, they're watching it not because they like it, but out of curiosity, or let them help you. So, and again, what they do is that most of them doesn't watch from the beginning to the end. They might watch, let's say your video is like 8 minutes or 3 minutes. They might just watch 1/4 of it, sending a wrong signal, sending wrong audience, and giving you low retention. And retention matters a lot, because what gives YouTube algorithm joy most is when people have more watch time session on your channel. When you make people stay on YouTube, automatically YouTube distributes your video. They will promote your video. So, and when people watch your video without completing it, it gives a poor retention, and YouTube will automatically drop that video. They'll be like, the first people that watched that video didn't like it, even though you shared it yourself, they did not like it. So there's no reason for them to share it to other people, because the first people that watch it hated it, and they'll drop the video. So another reason you should not share your video after uploading it is this: the YouTube algorithm prefers internal discovery, and internal discovery affects your CTR, your click-through rate. That is the rate at which people click your video by seeing your thumbnail and seeing your title. So when you share your video, automatically you are telling YouTube algorithm that your title is nothing and your thumbnail too is nothing. And automatically what that does to your channel is that your CTR will be very, very low. And when you have low CTR, YouTube will not push your video. Automatically your video will not be watched by other people, because you are the one telling YouTube that, okay, let me push my video myself. But that's not it. You uploaded it for YouTube to see, analyze, and distribute it, and you're not giving it time for you to do that. You're already sharing your video. So I will advise you, stop sharing your video immediately after uploading it. It will not help you.